Hello, my friends. Today, we're getting into something powerful, something so simple, yet so profound, it can reshape the way you think, act, and experience life. These 5 words, when understood and applied, hold the key to unlocking both wealth and happiness in your life. Let's get right into it. The words are, I am, and I will. At first glance, they seem ordinary, but they're far from it. These words are charged with creative power, and the way you use them shapes your reality. Every time you say, I am, you're declaring a truth about yourself to the universe. Whether you realize it or not, you're setting into motion a chain of events that aligns with your declaration. Similarly, I will holds the energy of intention and determination. It's a promise to yourself and a signal to the world about what's coming next. When you say, I am wealthy, you're not just making a statement, you're planting a seed in your subconscious mind. That seed begins to grow, drawing to you the circumstances, ideas, and opportunities needed to make wealth reality. But here's the key, these words must be said with conviction, not doubt. Your subconscious cannot be fooled, it responds to the feeling behind the words. When you feel rich, even if your bank account tells a different story, you set the foundation for riches to appear. Let's go deeper into, I will. This phrase is about movement and commitment. When you say, I will succeed, you're making a decision. It's as though you're stepping onto a path and refusing to turn back. Doubts may arise, obstacles might appear, but the power of your, I will, acts as a compass, keeping you focused on your destination. You're no longer hoping or wishing, you're knowing. Now, some of you might wonder, is it really that simple? Yes, but here's the catch, most people misuse these words. They say, I am tired, I am unlucky, or I am not good enough. These statements are just as powerful, but in the wrong direction. The mind doesn't discriminate between positive and negative, it simply takes your words as instructions. If you declare lack, the world mirrors lack back to you. If you declare abundance, abundance will find its way to you. Start by becoming aware of your inner dialogue. What are you telling yourself daily? Pay attention to the times you unconsciously say things like, I am broke or I can't do that. Catch yourself and replace those statements with something empowering. Even if it feels strange at first, keep at it. Repetition is key. Your mind responds to what you consistently tell it, so make sure you're feeding it thoughts of wealth and happiness. Here's a simple practice to reprogram your mind. Every morning and every night, spend 5 minutes repeating these phrases to yourself. I am wealthy. I am happy. I will achieve my goals. Say them out loud if you can, or silently if that feels better. As you do, imagine what it feels like to already have what you're affirming. Feel the joy of financial freedom, the satisfaction of achieving your dreams, and the peace that comes with true happiness. The more you can feel it, the more you'll draw it into your life. Now, let's address the importance of patience and persistence. Some of you might try this for a day or two and feel disappointed when your world doesn't instantly transform. Remember, you're working with the subconscious mind, which is like a fertile garden. The seeds you plant today won't sprout overnight, but they will grow if you nurture them. Consistency is the water and sunlight that your affirmations need to thrive. Keep at it, and you'll begin to notice subtle changes, ideas coming to you, opportunities appearing, or a shift in how you feel about yourself. Also, let's talk about belief. Saying, I am wealthy, while feeling deep down that it's a lie creates resistance. To bridge that gap, start with statements you can believe. For example, instead of, I am wealthy, you might say, I am on the path to wealth, or I am learning to attract abundance. These softer affirmations are easier for your mind to accept and pave the way for more powerful declarations later on. Let me share something crucial. Happiness is not a destination you reach once you have wealth. Happiness and wealth are interconnected, and both start within you. When you cultivate a mindset of gratitude and contentment for what you have right now, you align yourself with the energy of abundance. Think of it this way, If you're not happy with a little, why would having more change that? True wealth is an inner state, and when you embody it, the outer world begins to reflect it. Gratitude amplifies this process. Each day, take a moment to list 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big: a sunny day, a kind word, or even the fact that you're alive. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, which is the fertile ground where wealth and happiness grow. The more you acknowledge the good in your life, the more good you'll attract. Another tip is to surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with, the content you consume, and the conversations you engage in all shape your mindset. If you're surrounded by negativity, it's harder to maintain a wealth and happiness mindset. Seek out those who uplift you, challenge you to grow, and inspire you to aim higher. And act as if. Live as though you've already achieved wealth and happiness. This doesn't mean spending recklessly or pretending to be something you're not. It means embodying the qualities of someone who is wealthy and happy: confidence, generosity, and joy. When you act as if, you're telling the universe you're ready to receive, and it will respond. Take a moment to reflect: do you see yourself as someone who can achieve financial success? Or do you view yourself as always struggling, always in need of more? Your self-image plays a massive role in your ability to attract wealth. Wealth is not just about money, it's about a mindset that opens you up to opportunities, to growth, and to the belief that you can attract what you need. Another powerful tool is gratitude. It's easy to focus on what's lacking in your life, but the key to wealth and happiness lies in recognizing what you already have. Start with small moments of appreciation. Notice the good in your day. Whether it's a kind interaction, a beautiful moment in nature, or even something as simple as a good meal, take a moment to feel gratitude for it. This practice shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. The more you recognize the good in your life, the more you attract it. One thing I can't stress enough is how powerful your beliefs are. Your beliefs determine what you accept as true about yourself and the world. If you believe that wealth is for other people but not for you, that belief will create a barrier to your success. On the other hand, if you believe that wealth is abundant and accessible to everyone, including you, that belief will open doors to new possibilities. Now, let's take a moment to discuss the importance of taking inspired action. While words like "I am" and "I will" are powerful, they must be paired with action. Simply affirming your desires without taking steps toward them won't lead to results. It's not enough to just sit back and wait for wealth and happiness to come to you. You must actively seek opportunities, create solutions, and move forward with purpose. But here's the beauty of it: when you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desires, things will begin to flow toward you with much more ease. Let go of the idea that achieving success requires struggle. When you're in alignment with your true self and your intentions, you'll find that things just start to click. Opportunities appear when you're ready, and they'll often come from unexpected places. Trust that the universe will respond when you commit to your path, take inspired action, and remain open to receiving what you've asked for. Your words are the seeds that create the life you experience, and when used with intention, they can unlock the doors to wealth and happiness. But it's not just about repeating those words, it's about aligning them with your beliefs, your self-image, and your actions. Wealth and happiness are not something that exists outside of you. They are states of mind, and they begin within. When you start to view yourself as worthy of both, when you truly believe that success and joy are your birthright, the world around you will shift. Opportunities will present themselves, and the things you once thought impossible will become achievable. But don't wait for the world to change before you do. Your inner world is the foundation for your outer reality. If you want to see changes in your life, you must first begin to change your thoughts, your beliefs, and your self-image. This isn't a quick fix. It's a process, and it takes patience and persistence. But if you keep at it, you will begin to notice small shifts that will gradually turn into larger transformations. Your wealth and happiness are within your reach. All it takes is the willingness to see yourself differently, to affirm what you truly desire, and to take inspired action towards those desires. So, as you move forward, remember these 5 words: I am and I will. Use them wisely, repeat them often, and allow them to guide you to the life you've always dreamed of. And, if you feel moved by this message, consider liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Sharing this knowledge with others is a way to amplify the energy and keep the cycle of positivity going.